Apple is gearing up to launch its next budget-friendly iPhone, and this one is set to break away from the traditional SE lineup. The rumored iPhone 16e, also referred to as the iPhone SE 2025, is expected to bring significant upgrades in design, display, performance, and camera technology. But is this really the perfect budget iPhone, or is Apple cutting corners? Let's take a deep dive into everything we know so far. A new era for Apple's budget iPhone. Apple has long been known for recycling older designs in its SE series, but the iPhone 16e is taking a completely new direction. Instead of sticking to the outdated iPhone 8 form factor with a home button and thick bezels, Apple is embracing a more modern design. If leaks are accurate, the iPhone 16e will resemble the iPhone 14, featuring a sleek, boxy shape and thinner bezels. This change means Touch ID is officially gone, replaced by Face ID or another biometric authentication method. It's a major shift that aligns the budget iPhone with Apple's current flagship lineup. This also means a more immersive display experience, which is another big upgrade. OLED display, a huge step up. One of the most significant improvements coming to the iPhone 16e is its display. Apple is finally moving away from the old LCD panel and equipping this model with a 6.1-inch OLED screen. This upgrade brings deeper blacks, vibrant colors, and improved contrast, making the budget iPhone feel much more premium. However, don't expect a 120 Hz promotion refresh rate. Apple is likely keeping the display capped at 60 Hz, similar to the iPhone 14 and 15 standard models. While it won't be as smooth as the Pro iPhones, the switch to OLED is still a big leap forward for an entry-level Apple device. 48MP camera. Flagship-level photography? The iPhone SE models have always been known for their single-lens camera setup, but this time, Apple is stepping things up. The iPhone 16e is rumored to feature a 48MP primary sensor, similar to what we'll see on the standard iPhone 16 and 16 Plus. This means white heavy checkmark better low light performance, white heavy checkmark improved detail and clarity, white heavy checkmark 2x lossless zoom for sharper close-up shots. However, there won't be an ultra-wide lens like in the Pro models, and Apple might rely on software-based enhancements to improve image processing. While it may not match the camera experience of flagship models, it's a significant upgrade from previous SE models. 18-chip and 8GB RAM. Flagship performance on a budget. Performance has never been an issue with Apple's budget iPhones, and the iPhone 16e is no exception. Reports suggest it will be powered by the A18 chip, the same silicon expected in the iPhone 16 lineup. With 8GB of RAM, double the 4GB in the previous SE model, multitasking will be smoother than ever. Whether you're gaming, editing photos, or using Apple Intelligence features, this budget iPhone should keep up with modern demands without breaking a sweat. USB-C and MagSafe. Following the flagships, Apple is finally standardizing USB-C across all iPhones, and the iPhone 16 will be no exception. This means electric plug no more Lightning port. Electric plug easier compatibility with other Apple devices. Electric plug faster charging capabilities. However, don't expect Pro-level speeds. It's likely to be USB 2.0, meaning slower data transfer compared to the Pro models. Another big addition is MagSafe. This will be the first budget iPhone to support Apple's magnetic charging and accessory system, making it more versatile than previous SE models. Expected release date and price. Apple is rumored to unveil the iPhone 16e on February 19, 2025, and it's expected to carry a starting price of $479. This puts it in direct competition with Android mid-range devices while offering the premium Apple experience at a lower cost. If you're using an iPhone 8, SE 2020, or even an iPhone XR, this could be the perfect upgrade. It offers modern design, better performance, and flagship-level features without the high price tag. Final thoughts. Should you buy the iPhone 16e? The iPhone 16e is shaping up to be the best budget iPhone Apple has ever made. With a modern design, OLED display, flagship-level A18 chip, 48MP camera, and USB-C, it feels much closer to the standard iPhone 14 and 15 rather than the older SE models. However, if 120Hz promotion, multiple cameras, or ultra-fast data transfer are a must-have for you, you might want to look at the Pro models instead. But for those who want a powerful iPhone at a budget-friendly price, the iPhone 16e is an excellent choice. Would you buy the iPhone 16e? Or are you waiting for something else? Let us know in the comments below. Loudspeaker if you found this article helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Technology Review.